In this video, I will show you how to create your own spider gel. Coming up. Hi, I'm Anastasia and now I'm doing a geometrical design with a spider gel. In case you don't know what it is, this is a very stretchy gel for nail art. And by the way, the one I'm using now, it is not the one I created. This is an actual spider gel by the company called Nailcou. And I just wanted to show you that it is possible to stretch a very thin lines out of it to create these kind of designs. And yes, we could take a brush and a paint or gel and hand paint the same design, but just imagine how long will it take. And also, if you don't have this skill yet, because I know some people are still struggling with the thin lines, with this product you can create it just in a matter of couple minutes. I just showed you the real-time design without fast forward. So now we need to fully cure it for 1 minute in LED and seal it with a top coat. I think this is a very easy way to create cool geometrical design as well as thin lines, and you don't really need a hand painting skills for it because it is simple. Now cure for another minute in LED and the design is ready. Now let's create our own spider gel. We will need thick consistency base, white gel, but it has to be gel paint or a thicker consistency gel for nail art, and we will also need acrylic paint. I'm using Italian one by Polycolor. Now let's create the mixture. First I take the drop of the base, it should be thick, it's important, and mix it with the white gel. Once you get an even consistency, it's the time to add the most important ingredient, which is acrylic paint by Polycolor. So unfortunately, not acrylic paints will work. It is very important it should contain PVA, also known as polyvinyl acetate, also known as school glue or Elmer's glue in the US. So it should contain it. Now, as we mix it, you see that it starts to stretch, and you need to mix it until it stretches so you can actually work with it. And now let's try it on the nail. So looks like it works. By the way, I was using the fresh created mixture, I just mixed them, but then I noticed that if you will leave it for a few hours or even couple days, it will work even better. It will thicken and will stretch even more so you can create a thinner lines. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to create an abstract design. Now cure it for 1 minute, and also let's decorate it with some flat back pearls. I will use top coat and apply it on the design, but without curing it, I will add some flat back pearls using my Crystal Katana pickup tool. One right here, and that's it. Cure for 1 minute in LED and we will be done. Our own created DIY spider gel. If you need more ideas on what you can create with spider gels, I will leave the links down below. I have a couple videos on my channel with the similar gels. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post nail art tutorials and DIY just like this one every week. See you in my next video. Bye!